In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an inbound webhook URL in Bitrix24. Now to do this, first you want to sign into your dashboard, and then you want to go to the left panel over here, and you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Here you can find applications, and you want to click on that, and from here you want to click on developer resources. So click on that, and from here a few things are going to pop up. You want to go to the bottom where it says other. So as you can see, it says create inbound or outbound webhooks. So you want to click on this, and from here it's going to pop up. And of course, if you want to create an inbound webhook URL, you want to click on inbound webhook over here. So just click on this, and then from here it's going to open up yet another pop-up. And as you can see, there we go, this is your webhook to call REST API. Okay, now over here, of course, if you want a new one, you can click on generate new, and you can click on continue, and it's actually going to create a new one. But of course, if you generate a new webhook, everything that depends on the currently active webhook will stop. So make sure you know that before you proceed. Now, from here, you can, of course, see this request builder. Over here, you can go and select kind of profile. You can select different things over here and kind of customize it the way you want it to be, okay? You can, of course, execute it down here as well via this URL. And yeah, you can also assign permissions if you need to do that too. So that's essentially all you have to do to create an inbound webhook URL. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.